Namaskar. Welcome back to my class. In today's lesson, I will teach you a Natwari Tukra. Generally, a Tukra is performed in Madhyalaya. Madhyalaya is double of Vilamvit. We have discussed about it in previous lessons regarding Laikari and Parhant. Coming to the topic of today, we will learn Natwari Tukra. Natwari Tukra is something in which the bowls, kram, tram are used. In Vilamvit Laya, we do Parhant in this way: dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, na, te, te, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. Now, if we want to do the Parhant in Madhyalaya, following this method, this will be like that: dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, na, tin, tin, na, tete, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. In this way, you eventually will lose control on tempo. So rather using one finger for each matra, we will go with one finger for two matra, which will be like dha, din, dha, dha, din, dha, na, tin, na, tete, din, dha, dha. Here's the point: always remember that you can decrease basic tempo according to your choice. If you are using slow tempo in Vilambit, then what I'm using here, your Madhya will be slower than me, and if you increase your basic tempo or your Vilambit, your Madhya will be faster. Hope you understand. Now let's focus on the Tukra. First, I will clear your concept about the structure of this tukra. Using the Madhyalaya tempo, this will be like dha, din, dha, dha, din, dha, na, tin, na, te, din, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha. I hope you have seen the tukra. Besides the screen, we have defined the exact place of matra by sign using the particular warning. Notice that the 16 bits and the last bit, which we have marked as like a standing line, is the sum. The sum is the matra where we have started, and after completing 16 bits, we have to return to the sum. We also mark the sum as a plus sign. This is the sign of sum. So, focusing on the bit now, we will do the Parhant again. Dhin, dha, din, dha, na, tin, na, tete, din, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha, dig, dha, dig, dha, dig, the, kran, dha, kat, dha. Here notice the tigdha dig the, kran dha kat dha has repeated for 3 times. That's why you can call as Natwari Tukra. You have practiced it for several times until you clear concept about the structure of this tukra and get the control on this pole. Now, after practicing several times, if you are confident about the bowl, you can try to recite it with your own style. This may be like that. Tha, din, da, da, din, din, da. Na, tin, tin, na, tet, din, din, da. Tích tha, tích, 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 tha, tích, tích, thế. Can tha, cat, tha, tích tha, tích, 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 tha, tích, tích, thế. Can tha, cat, tha, tích tha, tích, 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 tha, tích, tích, thế. Can tha, cat, tha. But remember, before doing the recitation with style, make sure you can maintain the laya and complete pole to sum. Otherwise, your endeavor will go to vain. So practice this pattern perfectly. In next lesson, we will learn how to perform this tukra step by step. Thank you. Namaskar.